The local area housing market just sent a clear signal, and it's something most people are either misunderstanding or completely missing. What if I told you the headlines you're reading might not be telling the full story about what's really happening on the ground here? And it could cost you thousands if you make a move without this crucial insight. I'm Shauna, and I specialize in helping people navigate the dynamic local area real estate market. Looking to buy your first home, sell your current one, or invest wisely. Today, you'll discover the truth behind the latest market updates and my forecast for 2026, breaking down exactly what these shifts mean for you. And by the way, if you're thinking about making a move to local area here, I get calls and emails every single day from people just like you. And I absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 90 days, give me a call, shoot me a text, or send me an email. There's a link to schedule a free, no pressure consultation with me in the description below. I'd be happy to help you make a smooth move to this local area. Now, let's get started with the biggest factor most people overlook when they hear market update. First, let's tackle inventory. You might be hearing that the number of homes in the market in the local area here is up. And for many, that immediately sparks fear a crash. But here's the nuance. While active listings have indeed seen an increase in about 15% year over year, it's crucial to understand where those listings are coming from. We're seeing more homes in higher brackets, say above 800,000, sitting a bit longer. However, the sweet spot for first-time buyers and growing families, typically homes between 400 to 650,000, is still experiencing a healthy demand and relatively quick sales, often with multiple offers if priced right. This isn't a blanket surge in inventory, it's a recalibration, allowing buyers a bit more breathing room in certain segments, but still competitive in others. If you're looking for a starter home or a mid-range property, you'll still need to be prepared, but you might not face the frantic bidding wars we saw a couple years ago. Now let's talk about prices. Many people are fixated on whether prices are falling in local areas. We've seen a more nuanced picture than a sharp decline. Stabilized, showing a modest 2% increase over the last quarter, bringing the median price closer to 600,000. This isn't the double-digit appreciation we saw during the peak, but it's certainly not a crash. What we're seeing is a return to more sustainable, healthy growth. This stability is good news for both buyers and sellers, and buyers can plan more with certainty, knowing their investment isn't likely to plummet. Still expect strong offers if their property is well maintained and marketed effectively. It's about realistic expectations, not panic. And this brings me to something crucial about interest rates. Rates have been a biggest topic of conversation, and for good reason. They've certainly impacted affordability and buyer confidence. We've seen rates hover in the mid 6% to 7% range for a while now. And the good news, we might see a slight softening in rates as we move further into 2026, potentially dipping into the high fives. Even a small drop can significantly impact your monthly payment, purchasing power. What this means for you is that if you're on the fence getting pre approved, now gives you clarity on your budget. And don't forget, there are always options like adjustable rate mortgages or the ability to refinance down the line if rates drop. It's about leveraging your current environment to your advantage. And speaking of advantages, let's look at specific neighborhoods. The overall market shows stability, specific neighborhoods in this local area telling slightly different stories. For example, areas like Camas are still seeing rapid sales due to their excellent school districts and family-friendly amenities, with homes often going under contract within 2 weeks. On the other hand, some of the newer developments on the outskirts, while offering more square footage for the dollar, slightly longer market times, giving buyers more negotiation power. What people don't realize is that even within a few miles, market conditions can vary wildly. I had a client last month who was convinced they couldn't afford anything in downtown Vancouver until we explored a few streets just outside the main thoroughfare and a charming bungalow with their budget that had been overlooked. It's about understanding these micro markets and knowing where to look for value. So, what's my forecast for local area real estate in 2026? I predict continued stability with modest appreciation, likely in the 3 to 5% range, by ongoing population growth and a steady job market. I do not foresee a crash. Instead, I see a more balanced market, offering opportunities for both buyers and sellers who are well informed and strategic. For buyers, this means more choice, less frantic competition, but still needing to be prepared and decisive. For sellers, it means pricing your home correctly from the start, focusing on presentation and understanding your local micro market. For actionable advice, if you're a buyer, get pre approved, identify your target neighborhoods, and be ready to move when the right home comes along. If you're a seller, work with an agent who deeply understands your specific neighborhood dynamics and can position your home effectively. Don't wait for the rates to drop significantly. Date the rate, marry the house. So there you have it. My breakdown of a local area market and what to expect in 2026. If you found this information helpful, please hit that like button or subscribe to my channel for more insights into our local area real estate. And if you're ready to start your home search or discuss selling your property, I'm here to help. Click the link in the description to schedule a free, no obligation consultation with me. I'd love to chat about your specific goals and help you navigate this market with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.